Standard 7th, Subject Maths, Chapter 2, Multiplication and Division of Integers, Practice Set 8. Dear students, in the previous standard you have already learned about integers. So what are integers? Let's recall. Yes, integers are a set of positive, negative numbers along with 0. So you have also learned in the previous class to add and subtract integers. Using those methods, fill in the blanks below. This activity is in your textbook on page number 11. You can solve it there. So let's have a look at the questions. First one, 5 plus 7, you know the answer is 12. So first answer is 12. Second, 10 plus minus 5. Now we are going to solve the signs in which are here together, the bracket sign with the sign outside. So plus into minus is minus. That means we got minus 5 here. And 10 minus 5 is 5. The bigger number is positive, so answer will also be positive. So second answer is 5. Third question, minus 4 plus 3. Plus and minus operation will be minus. 4 minus 3 is 1 and sign of bigger number is minus. So third answer is minus 1. Fourth sum. Open the brackets of the signs first. So plus and minus is minus. So we got minus 2 and minus 7 here. Minus operation is always plus. So 7 plus 2 is 9 and sign will be minus because both the integers had negative sign. So fourth answer will be minus 9. Fifth sum, plus 8 minus plus 3. Minus into plus, answer is minus. Minus 3 we got. 8 minus 3 is positive 5. So fifth answer is 5. Sixth sum, plus 8 minus minus 3. Minus into minus, solve the bracket first. Minus into minus is plus. So 8 plus 3 is 11. And since both numbers were positive, we got answer sixth one as 11. So now you have recollected what you have learned in the previous standard. Now let us learn more about what you have already learned. Write a number in each bracket to obtain the answer 3 in each operations. So there are 6 operations altogether given here, 1, 2, 3 and bottom 3 more. Each operation should be such that when you enter a number, the answer you get should be 3 here. So let's have a look at the answers. Minus 6 plus 9. If you put 9 here, then 9 minus 6 will be 3. Minus 5 minus which number will give you 3? Minus 5 minus minus 8. Minus and minus will become plus 8. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So accordingly you will have to check which suitable integer has to be chosen to get the answer 3. For example here, minus 8 plus which number gives you 3? So minus 8 plus 11 because 11 minus 8 is 3. Similarly 9 minus 6 will give you 3. 7 plus, if you add a positive number, the number will increase. So naturally to come down to 3 we have to add a negative number. So 7 plus minus 4 is 3 and 4 minus 1 gives you 3. So this way we are familiar with addition and subtraction of integers. Now let's learn about multiplication of integers. Here we have a table of minus 5. Let's multiply and check what answers we have got here. This activity is in your textbook on page number 12. So let's check. Minus 5 into minus 3. The first step that we are doing here is multiply first. 5 3s are 15. And then we will check which sign we have to give. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 15. You can write plus 15 or only 15. Both means that the number is positive. Next, minus 5 into minus 2. 5 2s are 10 and minus into minus is plus 10. 5 1s are 5. Minus into minus is plus. Minus 5 into 0 is 0. Any number, remember, multiplied by 0 gives you 0. Minus 5 into 1. 5 1s are 5 and minus into plus. Now 1 is not having a negative sign like here, means it is plus. So minus into plus is minus. 5 2s are 10, minus into plus is minus. Similarly, 5 3s are 15, minus into plus is minus. And 5 4s are 20, minus into plus is minus. So accordingly, we have to put the correct sign for any operations while multiplication of integers. So there is this rule we have to know. What do you know now? That the product of two positive integers is a positive integer. Means plus 5 into plus 1 is plus 5. Positive number into positive number is equal to positive only you will get. The product of one positive and one negative integer is a negative integer. Means one integer was positive number into another negative number. Then you get your answer as negative. Plus into minus is minus. Or minus into plus is also minus. Whether plus comes first or minus comes first, doesn't matter. If both signs are different, the answer will be a negative number. When both signs are negative number into negative number, the answer is positive. That means just like when we had addition of integers, same signs, operation is addition. Different signs, operation is subtraction. So here in multiplication, same signs, the answer also has positive answer, positive side. And if different signs are there for the number, then the answer will have negative sign. So let's complete the table which is on page number 12. The table for minus 5 is given already to you and we also discussed it. Now let's complete the table of minus 6 and minus 7. So you know that 6 into 3. First do the multiplication. 6 3s are 18. And now as per the rule, minus into minus is plus. So answer will be 18. Let's have a look at the answers here. 6 into 3, 18, minus into minus, plus 18. 6 2s are 12, minus into minus, plus 12. 6 1s are 6, minus into minus, plus 6. 6 zeros are 0. 0 will bear no sign. 6 1s are 6. Minus into plus is minus. Different signs, then the answer will be negative. Same signs, answer will be same signs, then the answer will be positive. Remember this rule for multiplication of integers. So next, minus 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. And since both have different signs, answer will be negative. 6 3s are 13. Both have different signs, minus 18. 6 4s are 24. Both have different signs, so minus 24. Similarly, we have table of minus 7 here. Let's check the answers. Minus 7 into minus 3. 7 3s are 21. Both have same signs, minus minus, so answer is plus. Minus 7 into minus 2, plus 14. Minus 7 into minus 1, plus 7. Minus 7 into 0 is 0. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. Minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. Minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. And minus 7 into 4 is minus 28. So this way you can complete the table on page 12 of your textbook. Now let's memorize the multiplying integers rules. So what are the rules? Positive into positive is equal to the answer will be positive only. Next, negative into negative integer, answer will be positive. So when the answer will be positive, when both the integers have same signs, positive positive or negative negative, answer will be positive only. When will the answer bear a negative sign? When the two signs are different for the two integers. For example, plus into minus, answer will be minus. And minus into plus, also answer will be minus. Kindly note down these rules of integers for multiplying integers in your notebook before you begin with your practice set. So now that you know the rules, let's begin with our practice set number 8. You have to multiply the given 8 numbers. Okay, so this is all about your practice set 8. Let's begin one sum at a time. First one, minus 5 into minus 7. As I mentioned to you, just multiply. 5 sevens are 35. And both have negative signs, means same signs. So answer will be positive. Minus into minus is plus. So we got plus 35. Second sum, minus 9 into 6. First multiply. 9 6 are 54. And since the signs are different, minus into plus we have. So answer will be minus 54. Third sum, 9 into minus 4. 9 fours are 36. Plus into minus is minus. So answer is minus 36. 8 sevens are 56. Plus into minus is minus. Answer is minus 56. Minus 124 into minus 1. 124 into 1 is 124. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 124 is your answer. Sixth sum. Multiply the integers first. 12 sevens are 84. And minus into minus is plus. So plus 84. Seventh sum. 63 into 7 is 441. And minus into minus is plus. So answer is 441. And last sum. 7 into 15 is 105. Minus into plus, the signs, don't forget them. Minus into plus is, yes, you got it right, is minus. So minus 105 is your last answer. Hope you have understood multiplication of integers. It's very simple. You have to multiply the two given numbers and then apply the rule of multiplication of integers for the signs. So remember students, if the signs are same, the answer will be positive. If the signs are different, the answer will be negative, minus. So do practice these sums in your notebook for a better understanding. Also, dear students, stay safe, keep learning, and thank you.